today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your desktop look neat and minimalistic. Let's dive in. HiddenMe can be downloaded from the App Store, and the app is about 456 KB in size. In this video, I'll be running the free version, but a paid version is available for those who require multiple display support. After installing the app, you want to click Open. Once the app is open, you will see this icon on the menu bar, and you want to click on it and then select Hide Desktop Icon, and this will hide all the icons on your desktop. By default, it will use your current wallpaper, but you can change it to a different wallpaper or even a solid color by going into Preference and selecting one of these options for a different background. So let's try selecting a black color background. We want to first disable the Hide Desktop Icon and then re-enable it. Now you can see the screen is all black. Vanilla app can only be downloaded from the website and is not available from the App Store. Link is provided in the description. I will be using the free version, and in the free version you cannot make any setting changes. To make any setting changes, you must purchase the Pro version for $10. Let's run the vanilla app, and you will see an arrow appear in the menu bar. You want to click on the arrow to expand it. Then you want to hold the command key on your keyboard and drag the icon you wish to hide to the left side of the dot. Once you have dragged all the icon, you can click on the arrow to collapse it, and it will hide all the icons. Now the menu bar should look less cluttered. That concludes the video. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you next time!